if you're on a bike and your bike is making a lot of sounds, the chains are rubbing, the gears are rubbing, that's a lot of wasted energy. And in that same vein, we want to land as quietly as possible. So you can choose a rock, maybe like this, and you're gonna pick a spot. You're gonna kind of squat down a little bit, you're gonna lean forward, and you're just gonna go as softly as you can. Alternatively, if you feel like that's maybe a little easy, you can even choose a log, because here, before you jump, you have to be in balance. There's no power if there's no balance. And so you get in balance, you lean forward a little bit, and you kind of reach out and try to absorb as much of the impact as you can. You can also try rock to rock. And you're just trying to go as quietly, as softly. What does your body have to really move through to make that happen? If you watch someone that's doing parkour, you're gonna really see them like raise their hands and unload their body, and then you want to try to minimize that sound, right? When you're hiking, you don't always want to be jumping like that. You want to be mitigating how that descent. And so you can always, from here, it's a lot easier to be quiet and smooth and good at jumping higher. Yeah, than jumping higher. Another technique would also be coming down here and then just stepping down.